close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hi guys! Welcome to Chess Channel! So, nandito kami ngayon sa may lake of Hualien. Ito yung pinakamalaking lake. So, ganda talaga. Parang nasa Pilipinas lang din ako, guys. Look like I'm in the Philippines! Let's go! Mahal-mahal lang sasakay ka nito. 2 tao, 600. Sakay ka ng ibang ka na ikaw ikaw magpapatakbo. 300, 2 tao, nakakalula dito. Ano pa naman ako? Mahilig pa naman akong Wah! 2 boss ko, yun. Kakalula dito. Yan yung ganyan-ganyan, no? 300 ang bayad niyan. Ikaw ikaw magpapatakbo. Ang daming tao dito. Tingnan mo naman, gagala sila. Tapos, tingnan mo yung suot ko. Kung bahay lang. Sabi ko naman ni Lolo, nagawa ko naman. Inamin. Kasi okay naman daw yung damit ko. Dagat ay naman daw to, lake. Di na kailangan magpaganda. Diba, piyaw lang na daw ako. Sabi ni Lolo, pwede daw mamingwit dito. Sayang, wala akong pang 2 pingwit. Mamingwit sana tayo. Taong dagat pa naman ako. Kung naliligo tayo dito, magsisining, hindi daw pwede. Mga namin bangkangay. Normal din ako.
We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We said no matter fire, no, we couldn't higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, sunny laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
舒服。噔噔，这样可以吗，老板？可以吗？那个动一动。好。Oh. Oh, may namingwit pa dun, no? Blue. Pwede pala mamingwit dito, guys. Ano address nito? Leo Lake of Hualien. I think ito yung ano eh. Ito yung pinakamalaking lake sa Hualien. Ito sakura daw to. Ito kasi wala pang dahon pag maglamig na. Kaso hindi pa masyado malamig. Kita mo, namumulaklak pa lang siya. Oh, and flower. And piauliang. So, try ko sana yung yung boat doon. So nga lang, isang oras lang daw, pero hindi pa namin alam kung magkano. Si Lola mahilig maggala-gala. Ganito lang, pasal-pasal, walang dalang pagkain, kahit gutom ka na. Oh, guys, see? How beautiful it is. Yung dalawa, oh. Napaka-sweet. Oh, Xiaoxin, Lapan. Gala lang po kami. Yan, intong-intong lang. Kasi matanda na sila. Hindi nakakainis dito. Yung gagala. Tapos, yung suot ko pang bahay. Hindi na daw mag-visit. Kaya daw ito. Kaya daw. Wow, ang hangin, grabe. Ang fresh. Parang ako, fresh. So, entry ko to eh. Iipal pa kayo eh. Papatingnan ko sa inyo yung map ng Hualien. Pinuntahan namin ngayon. Nung nakaraan dun kami sa may mountain. Wala lang, sakay lang sa sasakyan. Maulan kasi. Oh, cute oh.
Try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out. You can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me.